typically you would say that depending on which way the graph opens, you will have a minimum value of blank at a location. So the minimum value occurs at a location. So when you're talking about a minimum value, that's where the a is greater than 0. So that means you're going to have your parabola is going to look this way, and then here's your vertex. So this is your minimum. This is your minimum value, okay? Or your minimum point. I'll say minimum point. Okay, so when a is greater than 0, the parabola opens upwards. That is your minimum point. And you say, if they say, what's the minimum value? Not the minimum point. The minimum point is your vertex. What's the minimum value? You say, well, my value is k, depending on which form you're looking at. If you're looking at standard form, it's going to be the y value of the graph, because the y value tells you max or min. Okay, max or min is your y-axis. That's your y-axis. And your x-axis tells you located where. So I have a minimum at y equals whatever at this x point. Okay, so your minimum value occurs at the y value of the graph, and it occurs at the x spot on it. So the location is x, the max or min is y. Let me write that down. So the location is x, and the max or min is y. And that's when you're talking about on the graph. So if a was less than 0, you would actually have a parabola that goes this way. This would be your vertex. Right? And then this would be a max point. Okay, that would be a max value. I'm running out of room. But that would be your maximum point. So you would say I had a maximum point at this y value, and it's located at this x position. Okay? The location is the x. Where is it located? Where does it occur? That's the x. And then is it a max or a min? That's your y value. What is the y value? Okay? And I showed you two different forms here, because sometimes depending on what form you're working with, that's what's going to, but as long as you graph the equation, you can see, is it a high point? Is it a low point? That's where the y is. And then where does it occur? On this side of the x, this side of, like, where does it occur? That's your x value. I hope that makes sense.